we are back for Essential Rewards unboxing. So, this month kita ada special appearance. Sebab apa? Sebab ada orang tu, dia baru jadi member yang living officially last month. So, waktu kita record video last month tu, dia belum ahli lagi. Tapi sebab last month ada promo premium starter kit 10% tu, and then we decided why not join in the bandwagon, kan? So again, this is my essential rewards order this month. And where's yours?
This one.
This one I picked it up last week.
This
That
one
one kita runner pick it up and post. So siapa dulu?
You first.
Me first. Okay. Number 1. It's back in stock. Einkorn cereal, ancient grain lah kiranya. Dia macam gandum zaman dahulu kala. Itu belum lagi ada alteration, ada modification of genetically modified food, whatever. So whatever gandum yang we eat sekarang ni go through banyak sangat alteration supaya dia cepat grow, kurang resistant to penyakit and whatsoever.
This is the purest form.
Yeah, this
of
is
gandum.
like zaman dulu punya gandum. Gary yang macam pergi carilah benih dia apa semua, and ladang ada dekat France. Sekali dengan ladang lavender YL. Basically, because I love cereal so much, and we also just launched our team name, which is Cereal Oiler. So this is like perfect. Cereal Oiler. You get the pun? Cereal Oiler, as in like serial killer, but we don't kill people, we just oil ourselves and we oil people. So we are like cereal, but the ejaan is like cereal. So cereal for me and for Martin. He doesn't do cereal so much, but kalau terpaksa makan breakfast tu, he will eat lah. But I like this. It's slightly sweetened. Sweetened with coconut sugar. Two main benefits dia is Einkorn wheat ni, dia very low in gluten. So siapa yang macam ada masalah gluten intolerant, that's why untuk kids yang ada masalah eczema ke apa, even untuk kita adult yang tak ada masalah pun, it's really good to start taking this low gluten food lah. Okay, and the next one is really high in protein compared to normal wheat. So Einkorn. Next is I bought 2 oils this month. One is RC and another one is lemon. Sebenarnya lemon I bought 2, tapi satu dah bagi dekat my bila pinjam orang itu, so I dah ganti. So I got lemon for myself. And RC ni macam siapa yang tak tahu, this is like the most hot selling oil in Young Living Malaysia, because satu account hanya boleh beli satu sahaja. Sebab apa? Sebab semua orang sukakan dia, and semua orang ada
sebab
dia.
Semua orang Malaysia semua resedong.
Ya, sebab nama nickname dia ialah resedong control. Tak adalah, sekarang kan compliant pula, but it stands for respiratory congestion. That means it support your sistem pernafasan. So I can't say the word here because it's not compliance, tapi kalau apa-apa issue macam atau korang bolehlah get RC. So that's why macam RC ni dia tinggal separuh je, semua orang kelang kabut, because kalau boleh beli satu je sebulan. Lepas tu it's really useful kan, untuk macam even dari kids yang pergi sekolah, yang pergi nursery, yang selalu balik tu kan, ataupun bapak-bapak yang macam com. So RC is really unique in your house. Next one, I bought ubat gigi. Yes, orang pakai ubat gigi yang living now. It doesn't come in a box. Hari tu ada orang tanya, ada tak box Colgate ke apa ke, cause then we buat toy. And then we thought, lah, dah lama tak ada kotak ubat gigi. Sebab we bought from YL and YL tak ada kotak. So this is for us, the adult ones. And this is for kids. Untuk Martin, kids and toothpaste. So actually memang I bought 2 each. because I always stand by, because this is like semua mak-mak cari, so I always stand by satu for myself or like for my team, and satu untuk kalau ada orang nak. And another this one also ada bagi hadiah for sharing dekat Shah Alam. So siapa yang bertuah yang dapat tu, it comes in pairs. Martin has been using this and has been a fan of toothbrushing sejak kita orang pakai ni. Sejak dia ada gigi lah basically. And like setiap kali masuk bilik air mesti, I wanna brush teeth, I wanna brush teeth. This is really safe for your kids. Kalau telan pun tak apa, sebab it's all natural ingredients and plant-based ingredients, so it's safe, and it infused with essential oil, so go figures. Next one, I bought this one just got back in stock and hanya boleh beli dulu. Remember time HFMD dahsyat gila hari tu, satu Malaysia kelang kabut tu, this went out of stock. Sampai kan orang mencari sampai ke Singapore, sampai ke US. Okay, this is Tees waterless hand purifier. Okay, basically macam hand sanitizer lah, you must have in my handbag. So since bulan ni dia in stock and boleh beli dua je, and I'm sure semua oil akan beli dan simpan dan akan go out of stock soon, so I dah siap-siap beli dua. So siapa yang belum lagi buat ER bulan ni, sila letak dalam cart, dua terus maximum, and then check out. But last but not least, this one, it's Seedlings baby wipes. Oh my god, after you try this one, you will never ever go back to the other wipes that you've tried before. Seriously, korang tengok, it's like twice the size of store-bought wipes, and it's like so tebal. Okay, I give you a contoh lah, because this is my spare one. Mine is like this one dan this is my second pack actually. The first pack we bought dekat US kan in June, korang beli, lasted until September. Tahan lama. Dia ada tutup dulu. Ya Allah, the first time you open it, you like best gila. And like you see how it's so tebal and wangi, and most importantly, dia tak ada apa-apa bahan chemical yang membahaya. Kalau kita nak sapu kat muka, nak buat as makeup remover, or nak sapu kat baby balm yang baru lepas pupu pun, it's so gentle on their skin, and it doesn't like, not too basah. Kan setengah store bought tu macam dry, last ni kena ambil tisu kering pula nak lap lagi sebab it's like too wet. And then another thing is setengah tu macam berbuih-buih. Oh, disgusting. So even me by Zura use this to remove her makeup. Okay, so if you have this, you're like me by Zura. Okay, scratch that. So I'll just demo lah. So I went up to Jensen Jitsu class just now, put on some 7 Minerals foundation. Memanglah tak nampak sangat sebab I tak use lots of makeup pun, tapi macam still banyak lagi boleh pakai. Macam nak tangan, last kali lah je. Mothers with kids, you need to have this. And kalau tak ada anak pun, you should have this. Put in your handbag, take it everywhere you go, because you can use literally to lap anything. I'm done. So
you're done?
over to you. Yes.
Okay, so it's my turn. So hello.
Let's see what he had for his first ever essential rewards. Or
Let's see what I have in this green bag. Okay, first off I have this paper bag, and then I have the receipt. Okay, here's the thing, the real deal. This is Deep Relief, and one of my favorite oil blend, especially after bersukan atau pergi gym kan. It will soothe all sore muscles. So lenguh-lenguh,
you feel better.
pakai ni, insyaAllah you feel better. Okay, so next up we have this Shutran, baby. So Shutran ni, it's a blend specifically made for men. Okay, dalam dia ada Idaho Blue Spruce, which is exclusive oil untuk yang living je. Lepas tu ada Ocotea, yeleng-yeleng, hinoki, coriander, Davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon oil and northern light blue spruce. Semua oils ni memang untuk men lah. So memang dia dah blend semua dalam satu botol ni. So ini memang untuk men. Dan bau dia pun memang bau yang sedap lah, and appeal to both men and women.
So this is going to be a perfume.
Sedap, bau dia sedap. Apply dia is kita bubuh je dekat kita punya wrist ataupun dekat kita punya neck. Ni boleh pakai as cologne so korang tak payah dah pakai perfume minyak wangi tu. Pakai ni pun dah sedap. Okay, kita bubuh dekat lengan and dekat leher. Okay.
Sedap weh.
Sedap, serius bau dia sedap gila. Dia bukan ada oil je tau, dia ada shaving cream, dia ada beard oil, ada bath gel. Semua based on this blend. So for men, I really suggest this deep relief. Kalau korang very active, deep relief. And then for feeling of masculinity, this thing, Shutran. Okay, it's a must have for men. Dua ni. Yeah. So this month my AR is dua ni. So I'm gonna put them into the test. Okay. Oh sedap bau dia.
So that's the end of our unboxing of our October Essential Rewards order. So I guess I'll see you guys next month.
Next month.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I'm Dila Rosli and it is my lifestyle.
I'm Haris Arishi and I am the EO Bay.